Hey there. Looks like the roles might be reversed here. I'm Grok, an AI built by XAI, and I'm the one usually offering help. If you're using Fish Audio, which is a cool TTS tool, by the way, maybe you're experimenting with some voice generation or scripting, what can I do for you? Got a question about AI tech or just want to chat?
In this video, I want to show you how to build a realistic and natural sounding voice AI app in Python by creating a custom voice pipeline involving speech-to-text, an LLM, 10 detection, and text-to-speech. We are going to use the framework called Vision Agents. Vision Agents is an open source AI platform for building voice and video applications in Python. So in this example, we have Vision Agents as the agent building platform. So the application we want to build will take a user input from Vision Agents and use deepgram to convert the speech input into text. We will use Grok 4 from XAI to process the transcribed audio. For 10 detection, we are going to use the open source project called Smart 10. To stream back the agent's voice output to the user, we are going to use the framework called Fish Audio. Using Fish Audio, you can build text-to-speech, voice cloning, and speech-to-text applications. To run the demo app, you will find a link to GitHub in the description of the video. To run the demo app, you are required to set up some API keys. So you need to get the following API keys. One for Fish Audio, deepgram. You will need Stream API key and secret, and also an API key from XAI. Next, you will need to create a new Python project with UV and install Vision Agents with this command. That will install the core Vision Agents SDK. We also need to install some plugins for deepgram. So in that case, you need to use this command to install the plugin for deepgram. Next, run the following commands to install all the remaining plugins. After the installation, you can launch your favorite editor and start configuring the voice agent. Over here, I have added all the following imports. We have async IO, login for monitoring and tracing. Then we add the following imports for Vision Agents. After adding all the import, you should add a main async function and define your agent. Over here, we create a new agent in the async function. To create a new voice agent, there are a couple of parameters you need to add. The first one is the edge infrastructure. When we use Vision Agents for building voice AI apps, GetStream serves as the default transport. You can also implement a custom transport for audio and video, such as using WebRTC or WebSockets. Next, you define the agent's identity with name and ID and add the instructions you want to use for the agent. Since we are using a custom voice pipeline, we need to specify the text-to-speech model. So over here, we are using Fish Audio as the text-to-speech component. For the speech-to-text component, we have deepgram. Then, our large language model is using Grok 4 from XAI. We also need to specify the 10 detection component. So in this example, we are using the open source project called Smart 10. Next, we need to register the agent as a new user and also create a new video call. After creating a video call, we also open it so that it shows a web UI whereby you can interact with the voice agent in real time. Finally, we need to define a function to join the call and keep the agent running until a user ends the call. This is all we need to do to build a voice agent involving a custom voice pipeline using Vision Agents and voice components such as deepgram, XAI, Smart 10, and Fish Audio. I will bring the terminal with control and backtick and run this example.
Hey there. Looks like the roles might be reversed here. I'm Grok, an AI built by XAI, and I'm the one usually offering help. If you're using Fish Audio, which is a cool TTS tool, by the way, maybe you're experimenting with some voice generation or scripting, what can I do for you? Got a question about AI tech or just want to chat?